up a bag, I stay rolling on the hoe. Can't entertain niggas, I stay still on the hoe. Always keep the bands, I love money, not a hoe. Running up a bag, run it up, I want some more. Never been a...
So first you're going to go into Instagram, and I'm going to do this motion portrait on Jayda. I'm also tagging her in the video, so you should see that by now. But so I'm going to choose a picture of her where you can see her face pretty much facing forward, like a frontal facing image that you see me screenshotting right now. And so I was just going through making sure I chose one that was nicely angled. That way whenever we went to making it into the video, it would do it properly. So now I'm going into the Phonto, So now I'm going into the eraser app, and I'm cropping out the Instagram background. And then I'm going into erase, and I click target area, and now I'm targeting the areas of the picture that will erase properly. That's pretty much sectioned off from the picture that will erase the whole background at once. And if you accidentally erase her, you can just press the back button at the top and it'll unerase it. So now we're going into the actual manual erase, and I'm just erasing more of the background with that. You can zoom in the picture with 2 of your fingers at once and zoom it out with 2 of your fingers at once. Don't try to do it with just 1 finger, because you'll just erase whatever part you're touching. So now that's just what you see me doing here. Be careful, have a steady hand, don't rush. If you make a mistake, you can always undo it, but you can only make sure you press the done button whenever you're actually finished with the image. Don't press the done button and then go back into trying to erase it. It's not going to let you undo any mistakes you made because you pressed the done button as if you were completed. So as you can see right here, I accidentally erased her. So being as though it had just happened, I could easily press the undo button and it put it back to the correct way. So now what you see me doing here, I shrunken the cursor to a smaller size so that I could easily control it. And I'm going around and I'm outlining the outside of her as clean as I can. And so you're going to see me do that at this point. So right here I am going into restore mode, and I'm going through and undoing the mistakes I made along the top of her hair and her hairline, and just cleaning it up and restoring the erased parts. So basically with me creating that outline, I created sections away from the picture. That way I could be able to target them easily and erase them. So that's what you see me doing right now. So you see me going into restore mode again right here, and I'm just cleaning up more of the mess, making sure everything is crisp and sharp. Again, this is something that you have to be patient with doing. Take your time with doing it. Don't rush. And if you make a mistake, there's always ways to clean it up. So here I'm pressing the done button because I'm satisfied with how my image looks. And so now I'm going to save it. And keep in mind, whenever you're saving your image, it's going to have you watch an ad. So now you're going to see me going into the Phonto app, and I'm going to click on plain image, and you can click either the black or white image at the top. It doesn't matter. Once you click that, you're going to go scrolling through the colors at the bottom. I'm going to click on the lime green color, and then I'm going to click use and save. So now I'm going to click the 3 lines at the bottom of the left side of the screen, and I'm going to click add image. I'm going to put in the image that we're using, and now I'm sizing it up to fit inside the box better. So now at the bottom right corner of the screen, you're going to see a box with the arrow pointing up out of it. You're going to click that box, and you're going to click save image and save your image. So here I'm going into the motion portrait app. Click the library button in the bottom center of the page. Add in the image that we just made with the green background. Once you do that, since the image is a frontal facing image, the app is automatically going to line the eyes and mouth up with their eyes and mouth, and it's going to basically create the image for you. So now you press the OK button, and then you're going to click the little video camera icon at the bottom of the screen. Keep in mind, once you click that icon, you have to be inside a quiet space with nothing going on around you, because this will record background noise as well.